Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, we will deep dive into HTML. Okay, so in previous video, we have covered some basic topics like what is internet, how internet works, what is the front end, and what are the core technology we have used in front end, right? So uh, today we have covered an HTML and coming to our Visual Studio Script, right? So today we have covered HTML. What are the structure? How to create an HTML files? What are the tags? What are the elements? What are the paragraphs? So all these things we have today we have covered. So start with our first topic. What is HTML? So HTML is a hypertext markup language, okay, and it is a standard language which we have used to create an web pages. And how to create an HTML? It's very simple. You need only just .html extension, okay. I will show you. Go to new file icon and just create a first .html file. Then we have created successfully. We have created first .html file. It's very simple, right? Now okay, great, great. So the second point is HTML structure. We'll explain you. Great. We have, we'll show you. So this is our HTML. This is our HTML structure, HTML document structure. So always start with the doc type HTML. So what are the doc type HTML? It simply it tells the browsers what type of HTML we have currently used. So currently we have used HTML5. Then second is tag is a HTML and it is a root tag. Okay. Then we have created head tag. Now, inside a head tag, we have written all our meta tag and meta elements, title tag, and this is our title tag. Okay, so you can see this is our title tag, and we can change to this is our title or web page, right? And then head close. Then we have a body tag, and it's a actual content. Whatever the content you have written inside a body tag, it's actually represent on our web page. I will show you. Suppose if you write uh, front end is very popular. Okay, and if you can see, okay, I'm using live server, okay, for running our HTML file. So you can see here, front end is very popular, right? So it's very simple, right, to create an HTML file and the structure of HTML. And the title, we can see our title here, right? So this is our title. Great. So we have covered two topics here. Now came to our third topic. What are the tags and elements? We'll, we'll explain it very easily. Tags is used to define an element. And how to create a tag? It's just simple, less than uh, and greater than symbol. Means this is a in this way we have created a tags. Okay, and always in HTML, 95% in HTML, all tags have pairing tag. What is meant by pairing tag? It's the opening tag, and with the opening tag, they always have a closing tag. Okay, so these are the tags. What are the elements? Element is nothing but they have a tags and the content inside the tag. Like we'll show you. This is a tag, right? This is a closing tag, right? And this is a content. So the whole thing, the tag and the content inside the tag The whole thing we can call as an element. It's a very simple word. HTML is a very simple word. You can learn easily. Okay. So came to our fourth topic, headings. So heading type we have used to create an heading inside our web page. So there are basically there are six levels of headings, and every headings have their own importance. Like H1 heading have more important than H2. H2 heading is more important than H3. In similar way, H1 to H6. I will show you. Okay. So this is a H1, right? This is a H1. So this is a heading, sorry, heading, and this is a heading one. Then two, three, four, five, six. H2, H2, H3, H3, H4, and here also H4, H1, H1, H6, and here also H6. Right? So, okay, great, great. Here also we need to change here also. Three, four, five, and six. Great, great. Okay. So, what are the output of this heading? We'll show you. Okay. You can see, right? This is a heading one. It takes more important than H2. H2 take more important than H3. H3 take more important than H4. So, like this. It's very simple, bro. Okay. Uh, okay, we cover HTML, HTML document, tags, elements, and heading. Okay. Now coming to our fifth topic, HTML paragraphs and text format. Okay. So we have used a paragraph tag to create a paragraph on our page. Like using this p tag, we can create our paragraph on our web page. Okay. So I have used lorem 20 to create a dummy text for paragraph, right? Okay. You can you see the paragraph on the web page? This is our paragraph. It's very simple. We can create we can create a paragraph using a paragraph tag, right? As a name suggests, it's a p tag, right? P means paragraph. It's very simple. HTML is very simple. Okay. Okay. One more thing. Just remember, browser take only paragraph whenever we have take a multiple spaces here. Okay. You take a multiple space, right? Here also you can take a multiple space, right? But browser always okay, you have take us multiple spaces here, right? But browser browser ignore all the spaces and will take only one space. I will show you, right? So in this way, okay, great. Now our next topic is text formatting. So what is a text formatting? Text formatting is simple. Text formatting tag is a it's a bold tag, right? This is bold tag. This is a bold tag. So it's formatting our text. Simply it's a formatting a bold tag, italic tag. This is a italic, italic tag. Then strong tag. This is a strong tag. Correct. Then we have a mark tag. This is a mark tag. So likewise, there are many more, right? You can say this is bold tag, this is italic tag, this is strong tag, this is. You will see in one line we can break also using br tag like the b. If we use a br, br, so it will break our loop, right? It's very simple. Great. Now come to our HTML links and anchor tag. So what are the links and anchor tag? So what are the anchor tags? It's a it is a link. If we click on that link, it will take to another place. Okay, means anchor tag is a hyperlink, and it's a kind of link. If we click on that link, it will re-render to another page or another place simply. So how can we create an anchor tag? It's very simple. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Okay, great, great. So we have created an anchor tag now. So how can we create it? Just simply a tag. Okay, great. Then we have a href attribute here. Okay, so what are the href attribute? It's a URL. It contains URLs. To it contain URLs and hyperlinks point to it URL fragment or name preceded by hash mark and which specify an internal target location. Right? Means it's simply it it takes the URL or the location where we in future where we will want to go. Okay. Simply the address. It will store the address or address of location. Okay. So suppose if you want to so www dot sorry, https dot com, right? So, and we have right to go to Google. Okay, great. You can see right if we click on this go to Google console, it will sorry. Google dot com. Wait. Okay, click on go to Google, so it will re-render to our Google page, right? So it's a kind of very simple. HTML is very simple. Okay, so we have covered anchor tag also, comment and white space also. Okay, so what are the comments? Yeah, comments is very important. Comment is nothing but it's a code which is ignored by our HTML compiler. We can say that it's just for understanding. It's just for understanding our code to other developer. For that reason, we have used comment. So we can create a comment using this symbol. Suppose if you want to if you want to comment this hyperlink, so how can we create? Just it's very simple. Great. Then our last topic in today's video, yeah, the last topic is image tag. So suppose if you want to insert any image into our web page. So we have used image tag. So currently in our web page, no images, right? In our page. Oh, great. Suppose if you want to insert an image. So this is our image tag, and this is the alternate attribute of image tag. Okay. And one more thing, image tag has a only opening tag. There is no closing tag. Okay. There is no need to close image tag. Okay. Great. So in SRC, it's a source of our image or the location where our image is present. Okay. If we are not giving the correct location into the SRC, so our image will not show on our web page. I will explain it. Yes. So, cat image. Okay. Suppose if you want to take this image onto your web page, so go to this image, right click on and copy the image address of this image and SRC, paste the image address and save the HTML file and check the output. So how can we check? Directly click on live server and you can see our image, right? So we have successfully insert image into our web page. But what happens if we are not giving the correct path? So suppose if I miss JPG, we have a .jpg extension right here. But if we are by mistakenly only mention JP, so our image will not appear. Okay, so that's all. So today we have covered all our 8 topics in this HTML videos. And if you if this video is finding you helpful, so please like and give me some. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. Bye.